Hey everybody, Satoli here with History in Your Own Backyard. Today I'm in Indiana, right in front of my house, and it's September 28th, beautiful day out. But I'm going to show you a video that I shot down in North Florida back in February of an abandoned bridge that is on private property now. It was a public bridge, but now it's private. So stay tuned, I'm going to tell you all about it. Before we get started, let's talk about the definition of a ghost road and a phantom bridge. If you have already seen my introduction to ghost roads and phantom bridges, skip ahead to about the 2.5-minute timestamp. A ghost road is a roadway that was once owned or is currently owned by the county. This road originally carried traffic on a daily basis, but over the years, the county may have chosen to no longer maintain the road or to close it completely. The road may now be private property or could still be owned by the county. A phantom bridge is a span that was once used on a daily basis to cross a body of water. A phantom bridge is always located on a ghost road and can be one of the ultimate finds during a road tour. Phantom bridges were usually bypassed after the current roadway was realigned. A phantom bridge can usually be located near a bridge currently in use. A good way to spot phantom bridges is to look left and right when crossing a bridge. Sometimes these bridges may be up to 100 yards up or downstream from the current bridge location. Now that we know about ghost roads and phantom bridges, let's take a look at this old bridge. This pony truss bridge over the Alapahoochee River is known as the Beaty Bridge and was built for George Washington Beatty and J.A. Hodges in 1911 and abandoned in the 1970s. The bridge replaced the nearby Knight Toll Ferry. One source says that the bridge was built at a cost of $2,200, and another source states it cost $4,650 to build. The bridge sits close to the Florida-Georgia border. According to Ken Sulak, a friend of mine living in Florida, George Washington Beatty was an enterprising cotton planter with cotton fields in Florida and Georgia and needed a crossing for his cotton bales. Seems he conned Hamilton County, Florida into financing this bridge. This is one of the older one-lane highway bridges still standing in Florida. The bridge was constructed by the Roanoke Bridge Company in Roanoke, Virginia, and is a bit unusual. Notice the vertical members, which have an unusual tapered design. Most pony truss bridges have vertical members that are straight. This once public bridge is now on private property and gated off about 1/4 mile in both directions, so the only way I could view it is from the air with my drone. If anyone out there has personally visited this bridge, please leave a comment below.